Good morning, students. In today's class session, we are going to be discuss about selection short. It is a selection short is nothing but it is a comparison-based sorting algorithm. It sorts by repetitively selecting the smallest element from the unsorted portion and swapping it with the first unsorted element. So it is a nothing but it's a comparison-based one. So wherever in the list, the smallest number will be appear, that number we are going to be select and push it to the first position, second position, and third position like that. So if any number is the biggest number is found, that number will be swapped to that position, right? So the procedure for selection sort is find the smallest element in the list. We want to be find out the smallest element in the list and swap the first element in the list. Suppose there are the 10 elements there. If the small element is found in the fifth position, that we are going to be swapped in the first position, and the first position element is swapped to the fifth one, right? This way we get the smallest element at the correct position. Then find the smallest element among the remaining elements. Second, so first position we find out the smallest element, no, and the second position we want to be find out the smallest element. Again, we are going to be check the smallest element, all the element in the list. So if any element is found there, that element will be right pushed to the second position. And second position element, we are to swap to that position. Suppose if our 8 elements is there, right? So what we can do is we are going to move the element into the second position, and the second position element is moved to the last one. So we keep doing until we get all the elements. This process is repeated until we are going to be in the correct position in that. Good morning, students. In today's class session, we are going to be discuss about selection sort. We already discussed two types of sorting algorithm, bubble sort and insertion sort in the last class session. And in today's class session, we are going to be discuss about the selection sort, right? Okay. So selection sort is nothing but it is a comparison-based sorting algorithm where we are going to be apply that is repetitively selecting the smallest element in the list. Right. So this is what we are going to be do then. Suppose if there are the 10 element is there, right, in the array, what we can do, we are going to be select the smallest element in the array and place the element in the first position. Okay. This process is repeated until all the position in the array are sorted. That is the point is very clearly tells. It is a comparison based algorithm. It sorts by repetitively selecting the smallest element from the unsorted portion, right? You know that the elements are in the array are unsorted and we are in the position to be sort and swapping them, exchanging it with the first element in the list, right? So steps for that: find the smallest element and swap it with the first element. This way we get the smallest element at the current position. What we can do is